Happy Sunday everyone, welcome to another homemaking video, a day in the life Sunday at my place. And today we're starting off with some washing. Just got a pile of towels that we've been collecting over a couple of days, so it's time to get them washed and hung outside. A little bit lucky to have some bacon and eggs today. I have been fortunate to be able to get some eggs from Foodland here in South Australia, so I've been buying 2 cartons where I can, because we would like to go through a lot of eggs in the week should we have the option of doing so. And we had some bacon that I found in the freezer, so part of the use it up and clean it out of the freezer. We're going to have a delicious breakfast. The towels are finished, so I'm going to pull those out. And then I have another collection of things with some cleaning cloths and some tea towels and other bits and pieces I found to do a second load of washing. And then hubby will do his washing later. Everyone in the house does their own washing. I tend to do the bedding and the towels as well as my own stuff, but that way everyone is responsible for their own washing. I'm not up really late at night trying to finish anything or forgetting other people's laundry, which is what used to happen. So as you can see here, the wind has decided to be a starring guest role or helper in the video today, and I didn't realize until I was editing this, so I thought I'd just leave it in as a little bit of a funny clip. The weather today is interesting. It is about 50-50, so right now there are beautiful blue skies. However, the wind is really starting to kick up a bit, and I thought, well, if I can get a couple of hours of the towels being out here, then that will work well. And then once the tea towels have finished washing, I can do that. And it's only then that I remembered that I had all the bedding that I was going to do today. So I was a little bit of a washing powerhouse machine today. Then hubby comes along, and I can't show you his face because he's a dentist. No. Do you remember that ad from the telly, like in the 80s or 90s? This is Rob. We can't show you his face because Rob is a dentist. But Rob uses the Oral-B whatever toothpaste. Anyway, yeah, hubby came to check the washing machine and went, "Oh, you're still going, okay." And I said, "Yes, sorry, have to get the bed sheets done because I forgot to get them done, and I really want to be able to wash them and get them hung outside because the wind is really starting to kick up and the wind will help with the drying." I started hanging the tea towels and things up and then realized I'm going to need the space for the bed sheets. So I went back inside and I got the vertical clothes horse that we have, and I don't even know where it came from, probably Bunnings actually, and it's quite stable. And I started hanging the tea towels and the cloths on this using pegs as well, because as I said, the wind was really starting to kick up, and I thought the last thing I need is to come out and find the tea towels and that all over the floor. I forgot today was the last day too for one of the Coles flyby spends, so I bolted out of the door to pick up all of those things, and then also quickly filmed the grocery haul, and then I had to film a quick pantry tidy up because I was trying to figure out where I was in the scheme of things to get things settled. And also it makes another video hopefully to inspire people to clean out their pantry. And so by this time I had changed out of my PJ pants. Don't worry, I didn't wear them to Coles, but the top was exactly the same because I was busy trying to get that done and some dinner as well. Hubby was kind enough to bring in all the washing because also the weather turned really quickly. And also he's just hung his on the clothes horse. I'll turn the heater on in a little minute. All the towels were dry, so that will be my job tomorrow to sit and fold all of them. I also need to make some more cookies to fill up the cookie jar. It's empty as per usual, so I'm going to get the butter out ready for that. And of course I made an apple crumble, which is pretty standard in our house now. It's one of our favorite desserts. Here is the machine that I got from Kmart. It is the best invention that I have invested into. I'm really happy. So I thought I would just try with 2 pieces here because I'm holding the camera with my other hand, and it did work. It just took a little bit of power. So of course it went twice as fast when I started doing just 1 piece at a time to push it down, and then it went even faster when I was not holding the camera. So I definitely highly recommend it. There's different blades you can put in there to make chips and things as well, which I'm definitely going to give it a go. But yeah, I'm really happy with it. Please subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos of some more pantry cleaning and touring. And thank you so much for watching today. I so appreciate you, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.